All right, guys, a quick video here. Just a heads up to all the folks out there looking to buy a GoPro 13. And if you're upgrading from a 12 or a 9, in my case, I upgraded from a 9. I mean, this battery charger is from a GoPro 3. So my upgrades were 3, 9, and now 13. Just know that you're going to pay a battery tax, which is a little annoying because you pay for the bundle. Typically bundles around $379 on Amazon, or you can get one from Costco, which has a little bigger SD card for about $384 today. But just remember, you're going to be forking out about $100 if you want to charge your batteries outside the camera. I mean, this will run you about $79. It comes with 2 batteries, but then you got to buy separately a charger. And then, it's something to be mindful. And as a customer, a request to, all the manufacturers out there, I mean, design your products in a way that, maximizes customers' investment. I mean, this battery's from the 13, this one's from 9. I mean, they're pretty much the same size. I mean, get it, this is a little bit more milliamp, but you're telling me you can design the charging leads here in a manner, kind of future-proofing it back in 9, so I don't have to spend the extra $100. And if you're going to sell something for $79, I'm going to include the $12, $14, charger adapter in there. So anyhow, quick little gripe, just a heads up. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.